Welcome dear students. In our today class, we are choose a topic in our electrical part, module 4, power generation, transmission and distribution. This topic is important in your exam point of view. Now see, this is our first part of generating station. GS represent the generating station. First of all, you consider that if you produce 11 kV as a three-phase power operation, for economy in the transmission of electrical power, the generation voltage should be taken as a 11 kV and is stepped up to 132 kV. That is, it is step up using transformer at the generating station with the help of three-phase transformer. In that part, first of all, you see 11/132 kV 11/132 kV shows that our generating voltage going increasing because our generating station is far away from the from our locality or any industrial part area. So we are taking a transmission tower, also a transmission line for supply the power. Due to the supply of power, a huge amount of power losses occur in our transmission line. To minimize these losses, we are always increasing at the first outing part of our generating station stepped up transformer to increasing 132 kV after producing 11 kV. Now see, coming to the next part, this symbol is show an alternating current part. That's why it is a sinusoidal part, and these are the transformer symbol. Now coming to the primary transmission. In primary transmission, the electrical power at 132 kV. See, in primary transmission, electric power is after this transformer. This section is called primary transmission. For primary transmission, see, our 11 kV is produced, 132 kV is supplied. So this voltage is supplied through here. The electrical power at 132 kV is transmitted by three phase 3 wire. Here using 3 wire overhead system to the outstring of the city, that is far away from our city. Now coming to the next part, that is secondary transmission. Here they will transmit it. In secondary transmission, they will receive it in a grid station. They will receive it in grid station. Here we put C, receiving station. Actually, see, in receiving station, the all power are meted in a common point, and after that they will supply whatever the requirement is. Coming to secondary transmission, the primary transmission power goes to receiving station. Here power will decreasing and power will monitoring. Now see, after receiving after primary transmission, the power is stepped down 132 to 33 kV. Here power is stepped down and coming to receiving station. After receiving station, it goes secondary transmission. Receiving station to this transformer, this section is called secondary transmission. In secondary transmission, the primary transmission line terminate at the receiving station, which usually lies at the outstring of the city. At receiving station, the voltage is reduced to 33 kV by step down transformer From this station, electrical power is transmitted to 33 kV 3-phase 3-wire overhead system to various substation. We know that in our every locality substation is present where power is coming in that part. Now this section is coming to substation part. Now see primary distribution part. Substation to this transformer shows the primary distribution part. Primary distribution part. See, in primary distribution part, the secondary transmission line terminate at the substation where voltage is reduced from 33 kV to 11 kV. Here also use 3-phase 3-wire. That is, number of phases are 3 with respect to 3-wire. After that, the 11 kV run along the important roadside of the city. You see in the pole line 3 line should be carry using a tower from primary distribution. This substation we are located in our area, which is commonly known as pole mounted substation. Here voltage is reduced 11 kV to 400 volt because we are taking a star connection in our home due to the neutral path, and from this point up to this point we are taking delta connection. Now after this transformer it will convert delta to star and also reduce the voltage, and this part is called distribution station part. This section is called secondary distribution. Here 400 volt is used for 3-phase 4-wire line, 4-wire due to the neutral connection. Secondary distribution, the electrical power from primary distribution line is delivered to the substation, distribution substation, that is known as pole mounted substation. These substations are located near the consumer locality, and here voltage is step down. After that part we are taking electrical power from our roadside pole or using feeder, distributor and service main. Feeder is commonly used for your area basis power supplier. Distributor also a total area of the system, and service main when you tapped power or voltage from any pole, this small conductor or small part is called service main. Here the total system will working, and this part, a practical power system has a large number of auxiliary equipment is used. In your home you should use fuse, MCB, circuit breaker, voltage control device, etc.